Hello kids! Today we will learn how to write alphabets.
A. Capital A. Start from the top and draw a slanting line downwards. Go to the top and draw another slanting line down to the opposite side. Now go little below the middle and draw a slipping line the cross. Capital A. B. Capital B. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a curve to the middle. Then draw a curve joining the bottom. Capital B. C. Capital C. Start from the top and draw a curve touching the bottom. Capital C. D. Capital D. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the bottom. Capital D. E. Capital E. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a slipping line to the right. Then go to the middle and draw another line. Lastly, go to the bottom and draw one more line in the same way. Capital E. F. Capital F. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw one slipping line to the right. Then go to the middle and make another line in the same way. Capital F. G. Capital G. Start below the top and draw a curve touching the bottom, and for that till the middle. Top it with a slipping line, then draw a standing line from the middle. Capital G. H. Capital H. Starting from the top, draw two standing lines, one after the other till the bottom. Then go to the middle and join the two lines with a slip line. Capital H. I. Capital I. Start from the top and make one standing line down, then make two small slipping lines, one at the top and another at the bottom. Capital I. J. Capital J. Start from the top and draw a standing line to the bottom with a small background curve. Capital J. K. Capital K. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and make a downwards slanting line to the left, then make a downward slanting line to the right till the bottom. Capital K. L. capital L. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. From the bottom of the line, draw a slipping line to the right. Capital L. M. Capital M. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a slanting line down to the right and another slanting line up to the top. Now draw a standing line to the bottom. Capital M. N. Capital N. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a slanting line to the right. Now draw one more line up to the top. Capital N. O. Capital O. Start from the top and make a big circle to the left. Capital O. P. Capital P. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve up to the middle. Capital P. Q. Capital Q. Start from the top and make the capital letter O. Then from inside the O, make a slanting line to the right reaching the bottom. Q. Capital Q. R. Capital R. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go again to the top and draw a curve till the middle. Then draw a slanting line to the bottom. Capital R. S. Capital S. Start from the top and swing to the left and create a curve. Now swing to the right and create another backward curve at the bottom. Capital S. T. Capital T. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and draw a slipping line across. Capital T. U. Capital U. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Then curve towards the right and keep going up to reach the top. Capital U. V. Capital V. Start from the top and draw a slanting line down to the right and then make a slanting line up to the right. Capital V. W. Capital W. Start from the top and draw a slanting line down to the right, then up to the top. Now again, make a slanting line downwards and then a slanting line to the top. Capital W. X. Capital X. Starting from the top, draw a slanting line down towards the right and then go to the top and draw a slanting line towards the left, cutting the first line in the middle. Capital X. Y. Capital Y. Start from the top and make a slant down to right till the middle. Go to the top again and now make a slanting line down to the left till the middle. From the meeting point of these lines, draw a standing line to the bottom. Capital Y. Z, capital Z. Start from the top and make a slipping lines toward the right and then make a slanting lines down towards the left reaching the bottom. Now again draw a slipping line from the bottom towards the right. Capital Z.
If this is your first time to visit my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get updated of the latest educational videos that I am going to upload.